This was a very scary looking building.
Looked like a scene from a horror movie.
You literally could not walk through the corridor without touching lead paint that had curled off the wall. 5 layers of ceilings were down on the ground. You were not walking on the ground, you were walking on 1913 construction, 1940 construction, 1970 construction, 1985 construction. It's a challenging environment, but it's the right kind of challenging.
You have to have the right team that has the right attitude to work on a renovation.
We're like family.
Every morning, we join in a circle and we talk about the issues. We have stretch and flex together.
The stretch and flex is pretty awesome.
It's amazing to see it transform from something scary to something beautiful.
A lot of people have said that just seeing the building under construction has just been a great thing for the area.
We're revitalizing this area and turning an old facility into something brand new.
I was born in the Cook County Hospital. I had my son here in 1989.
Being born here in 1967 on the 5th floor of the maternity ward, God has blessed me to come back again 52 years later.
Driving by with my kids, my family, it's going to be pretty neat. It's going to be pretty special to me.
To be a brick in the building, be a part of the building for the next so many years, 100 years, will be a blessing.